Hello viewers, in this tutorial I will show you how to share a TikTok post on Facebook. So first of all, open your Chrome browser and log in your Facebook account and log in your TikTok account. Look here, this is my Facebook account dashboard, and look here, this is my TikTok account dashboard. So first of all, select the any post. Now I'm select this post. Click here and look at the right corner, copy link, okay, and go to the Facebook and paste here the link and tap on the post. Then we'll be share a TikTok post on Facebook. If in this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and thank you for watching.